Welcome to our channel. If you want to create a zero-based budget where every dollar has a purpose, follow these step-by-step instructions to maximize your financial control. Step 1. Calculate your total monthly income from all sources including salary, side hustles, rental income, and any other regular earnings. Step 2. List all your monthly expenses, starting with fixed costs like rent, utilities, insurance, and loan payments that stay relatively constant. Step 3. Add variable expenses such as groceries, gas, dining out, and entertainment. Review past bank statements to estimate accurate amounts for each category. Step 4. Include savings and debt payments as expense categories. Treat saving money and paying down debt as non-negotiable monthly obligations. Step 5. Subtract your total expenses from your total income. The result should equal 0, meaning every dollar is assigned to a specific category or purpose. Step 6. Adjust your budget if you have money left over by increasing savings, debt payments, or other categories. If you're short, reduce discretionary spending. Step 7. Track your actual spending throughout the month using a budgeting app, spreadsheet, or notebook to ensure you stay within each category's limits. Step 8. Review and adjust your zero-based budget at the end of each month based on actual spending patterns and upcoming expenses for continuous improvement. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.